Official new, Mbuli defends Masechaba and Ndlovu, who has not been eating for days now. Not everyone on social media has been sympathetic towards Masechaba and Ndlovu since she announced her split from husband. Apparently there are women, to make it worse, who are calling Masechaba damaged property because she had 2 kids before marrying her husband. When TV host Mbuli came across the tweet, she jumped on to ask how that makes Masechaba damaged and defended her, asking women to love and respect one another. Say you're lying, what? How is she damaged? Bonnie asked. There is nothing more powerful than women loving and respecting each other. Equally though, there's nothing more destructive than women being the first to throw stones at each other. How do we change it? She added.